Very good.
Very good.
Take your time, darling. No need to rush. Yeah, then you rest and wait for a while and plan. There's no need to rush, okay? Yeah, small steps. No need to rush. Slowly think about it. Yeah, plan your next step.
Very good.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, plan your next step. Take small steps at a time.
Hold the blue one, okay?
Yes.
Blue one. Yeah.
Slowly, slowly. Think. Rest for a while. Yeah.
No, she's higher. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, step on the green one. Push with your feet. You're doing great.
Yeah, push wide.
Very
Go
good.
first and then wide. Wide. Just like we move back.
Stop.
Because, no, no, I mean, do it.
Juliet does that.
Very good, darling.
Very good. I'm going to put it
Very
down.
good.
Stop.
So a lot of times we have
Okay, okay.
push up. You gotta push, not pull. Push.
I like that.
Good job.
And
Wow.
then can you do the yoga thing like this?
When you reach the very up, you do.